Hello everyone, my name is Jane Lee from Syracuse University. Today I'm gonna share our paper, Emotions in Online Debates, Tales from Fall Forums and Convince Me, and Dr. Xiao will participate in the question answering parts. While it has been shown that participants' emotional states affect debate process and outcomes, it is unknown how different types of emotions are represented in online debates, and what correlations exist between the emotions and other aspects of the debates, such as their topic. In order to answer the questions, we first develop an emotion recognition algorithm. Then we label the emotions of each comment in the data uh, in the online debates. We then analyze various aspects of the emotions influence in the online debates, including how do emotions differ in debates of different topics and discussions, and are emotions contagious in online debates, and how are emotions related to the types of the responses. We base our emotion recognition algorithm on an adaptive model, which is proposed by Islam et al. In 2019. They propose a multi-channel CNN model that classifies emotions in tweets. It leverages multiple channels, including a word channel and emoji emoticon channel, with extra emotional lexicons. Our model adopts these multiple channels, and we use SPI-LSTM with a favorite attention mechanism, which outperforms the state-of-the-art emotion recognition algorithm. We predict 6 emotions types in the online debates, including anger, disgust, fear, joy, sadness, and neutral. The data we analyze in our paper is 2 online debates of forums and Convince Me. These 2 debates have similar structure generally. The initial user starts a discussion with a topic in which other users post their comments. While these 2 debates have slightly different coding mechanism. In fall forums, users code others' comment in their responding parts. As shown in Figure 1, the text area shows the responding part and the highlighted quote comments. While in Convince Me, users must choose a stance to debate, and they could use a rebuttal links to refer to the comments from the user with the opposite stance. Next, we propose some interesting research questions, and we answer it in our papers. And here is the details. So the first research question is that how do emotions differ in debates of different topics and discussions? We conduct a high score test between topic and emotions in these two forums. Um, and the results shows that the discussions about abortion, gay marriage, and gun control in both forums are more likely to exacerbate discuss emotions, and those about existence of God and the evolutions are more likely to be emotionally neutral. Next, we explore, do different discussions of the same topic have a similar dominant emotions? We aggregate comments in individual discussions and calculate the percentages of discussions having the same dominant emotions for their topic. And we presented the result in Table 2, which shows that all the topics have more than 50% of the discussions having the same dominant emotion for their topic, which suggests that the most frequent emotion in a discussion is predictable based on the topic. The second research question is that are emotions contagious in online debates? We conduct a high score test to examine the correlation between the emotions of two adjacent comments in debates, as shown in Table 3, where the column shows the previous emotions and the row shows the current emotions. The diagonal elements means that the current comment is likely to have the same emotions as the previous comment, suggesting that the existence of emotion contagion in the two online debates environment. The third research question is that how are emotions related to the types of responses? In thought forums, we construct the context response pairs, where context refers to the comments being responded to. We annotate the previous researchers annotate the following 5 types of label. The labels label the binary characteristics from the respondents, including whether they use spect or appealing to the emotions in their response, whether they are respectful or attacking, whether they're nice or nasty, whether they agree or disagree with other comments, whether they use sarcasm or not in their response. And the result shows that the respondents are likely to express more disgust when they disagree, attack, disrespect, or use sarcasm, and they are more likely to be neutral when they're being respectful or nice. So here comes to our conclusion that the first one is that we observe that a common's emotion correlates with the debate topic. Second, the major emotions are similar when people talk about the same topic. Third, emotions is contagious in these online debates. And last one is that um, the respondents are more likely to express disgust when they disagree, attack, disrespect, or use sarcasm. And they're more likely to be neutral when they're being respectful or nice. There are some limitations in our paper as well. The first one is that the algorithms, it's not 100% accurate. So there might be some wrong emotion label in the comments. Second, we train our emotion recognition model with the data that have different distributions from the online debates in terms of their length and online environment. Our discussion parts shows that our analysis provoked some interesting research questions to explore further. For instance, what contribute to the similar emotions experienced in the same topic, and would the finding be different if the debates were conducted by politicians instead of general online users for political topics? And how would people's cultural background or religious belief play a role in this relationship in topics like evolution or existence of God? Our paper also provides two design implications. For instance, in order to prevent too much negative emotions in a long sequence caused by emotion contagion, we could listen to the emotions from the ongoing discussions, such as use a politeness strategy in the online debates. We could also detect the insults or attacks in online debates and show a prompt indicates whether the comments contain nasty, attacking, or sarcastic information by detecting their emotions. So basically, this is the idea of our paper, and thank you for enjoying this video. Goodbye.